All right, so welcome back to the first night of really tearing into the 72 Skylark. And we are, step one, pull the motor, pull the transmission, and see where we're at, start cleaning up the engine bay and all of that kind of stuff. Dayton's actually already working on trying to get the motor mounts loose. We've already got the car up in the air, as you can see. And Caden's gonna help us out too. Caden's gonna be learning a lot in this project because this will be the first time he's ever done anything like this. So I'm actually kind of excited to have him get his hands dirty and start learning some of this. It's gonna be a lot of fun. So we'll try to film what we can, but we also are running out of daylight and we gotta get this thing out of here in about an hour. So I'm gonna let Caden try to turn the camera on and just film what he can. Dayton is trying to get a air ratchet ready on my little compressor that's nowhere near big enough to do that, but he's trying to get those motor mounts done. I'm actually starting, I'm just trying to get this Fram filter off right now, because that's just, folks, if you don't know, well, I guess I already broke it loose, but if you don't know, these things are just, you don't want to run these anymore, okay? So I'm already making a mess on the driveway, which means Mama's gonna be happy to see that. Anyway, some nice black oil.
I'm kicking this compressor on.
Hey, kick the compressor on. We gotta work. Let's go. So we'll kick it back on and keep you updated. That'll work. What? Is it out? No. Try it again. Light, I can't see. Got it? All right, so we got the motor mounts out. Now we got to break this drive shaft loose. And yes, I love it when it goes easy. Come on, baby. Gonna get this drive shaft loose and then take the transmission mount bolts, and then it's about ready to come out. One cap. Yep, there she went. I felt her. Ah, my headlamp fell off. Yeah. 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 All right, that was easy enough. I'm not worried about those caps coming off because we are going to have to rebuild that anyway. Dayton, can I just pass this to you? Try not to, I mean, I don't want to spread needle bearings everywhere, so try to kind of keep it.
I feel like we're going to be in the same predicament.
Feel like what?
I feel like we're going to be in the same problem.
Hang on, I moved it too far. Lower it back down just a hair. Oh, okay, go ahead. Got float already. You're almost there. Hold on. Caden, can you?
Yeah.
Keep drinking. Yep, she's coming. She's coming. What are we hitting? There we go. One's off. Come on, baby. All right, Dayton, hang on. I don't feel like you're lifting anything. Yep, do that.
Oh.
There went the bumper.
It's all right. It's up against the rubber. Fine. You're not gonna pull it out.
The boys at 3 a.m. You seen that reel?
Well.
Should have listened to Dayton and put all the tools up.
You know what I learned from our last car adventure?
Okay.
I was ready with my hammer to hit something.
What are you gonna hit?
I don't know, but it was gonna be something.
All right. Need a flathead screwdriver. I had one out here, I thought. Zeus is chasing Dayton.
Big, small, what? Medium?
Kind of medium, not very big. It's got to fit down inside this stupid thing.
Bent tip, what? I think it's just your side that's got wiring, man. Well, say that.
Oh, the throttle cable. Just take the bracket off.
Yeah.
Let it dangle. I don't know why I was so ginger about getting this hose clamp off and then just crammed a flathead screwdriver, right? Just
Right through it.
pair it up. What'd you get?
Hey, these fractions are killing me.
You got it. There she went. I'm lifting the whole car.
No, you're still just the motor.
Huh?
So no, you're still the motor.
Tell me when your hands are free. Once you're done with that part. About got her, Caden. Your first ever motor pull. Only slightly shady. You know, jack stand bouncing off the, or not jack stand, but cherry picker bounce off the ground. A little bit of a bend. Ah! It's all good. All right.
I think they just put out a call. It said active alert. Is that?
Whatever you do, do not be putting your hands in there where they could get smashed, though, okay?
Hang on. You're almost there.
That's what I thought. It started moving pretty good. There she went.
Ow.
You okay?
Yeah, hang on. Oh. Dude, oh. Whew. Thought my life was over.
Huh?
That car sank. Right on my chest.
I forgot you were under there and we were lifting a lot of it up.
Oh.
You okay?
I'm good now. I just need it out.
What?
Nice, good puddle of oil or something.
Tranny fluid?
Oh, looks flat.
The only thing I'm really concerned about at this point is this cable right here, which I think is the, it's tied right in the front of this. It's not the shifter cable. It might be like an old kickdown cable or something. I'm not sure. But go up here, Kate Dayton.
Crank it.
Yep, take her up some. That's what I needed. Keep going. Keep going. This is when it gets hairy. Hold up. What is this? What is this? This is that cable I'm talking about. I don't know what it is.
Here, I got you a couple different sizes.
I didn't hear what you said.
So here, I got you a couple different sizes.
That's a smart. She may not be that smart. Why do you keep bringing me the M&Ms when I'm asking for the fractions?
Because I didn't see any fractions.
Huh, it's bigger than that.
Okay.
Bigger than every one of them.
How much bigger?
Twice as big.
Okay.
Look for 1/4 inch. You brought me like 1/16 of an inch. 5/16, 1/4 inch, somewhere right around there.
7/16, that's way too big.
5/16 or 1/4 inch.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, boys and girls, okay. Okay then. We'd have had it. We'd have had it in about 30 minutes. Brother doesn't know how to read fractions.
Okay. Get out of here.
Zeus, tell him where a 5/16 or a 1/4 inch is. Did you get it? Did you get it? Did you get it off? Did you get it off? Is it still on?
Yeah, it's still on there.
Did you get it off? Is it coming off? Is it coming off yet? How'd you do it? Tell me more. Did you get it yet now? How about now? How about now? How about now? What about now? Is it coming off now? How about now? Nothing? How about now? Maybe? A little bit? No? Yeah? I mean, it by the look on your face, it's like if you pull a little harder, it might go ahead and just break off.
Dude, that's kind of what I was thinking.
That's kind of what I could tell.
Oh.
Caden's $12 million into this car already anyway, so I'm with me.
Can I see that real
Well,
quick?
I'm just trying to help hold the light.
Oh, how the times have turned. Not the one holding light no more.
Get it? I don't understand.
Video me. Did you get it? How about now? Did you get it now?
Yep.
Oh! You want me to pump it?
I just want you. Yeah, actually, we'll right up against the condenser. Hold up.
Why don't we push it back and I'll pump and then boom, it'll pop up free. Make sense? Yeah. Ready?
Go ahead.
Oh,
Pump up the jam.
Should have been playing that song.
Go.
Go.
Hold up.
You want me to get in there and lift up the tranny?
No, 5/8. Lock it.
You need a ratchet? Or you think you can do it with a hand tool?
Is it 3/8 or 1/4?
3/8. No, it's small.
Oh, it's the 1/4 inch. Yeah, I can do it with the hand.
Okay, let me know because I have a ratchet in my room that I stole from Ronnie.
I have a ratchet in this garage somewhere that somebody lost.
1, 2, 3, not it.
Oh no, you 1, 2, 3, it was all you. You use your dirt bike. Okay, let's go back.
You said you didn't want to move it.
We have to get it up.
Ready?
Easy. Hang on right there. We want to try to watch that hood latch. Go ahead. Go ahead. All right, go back. Go down. Down. Nice and slow.
Nice and slow.
Easy, easy. All right, stop. Caden, kick the block out. Put all these in that pan over there.
I don't know why I handed it to you. You know anything on the bottom?
Huh? Well, actually, there's that stupid shroud, and I don't know how it's bolted.
You want me to go up with it a little bit?
No, because it looks like lift up on it just a hair. I mean, we should be free. I just got to get it off of the ears that are on the back of the motor. I'll do it a little bit to get it separated, but
I'll do it with a stick. Give my thing.
it's right here, right behind.
That's a stall converter? Like a torque converter?
Yeah, it's talking over here. That's exactly what it is. Now I need got the transmission separated. By the way, thanks Buick for putting that wonderful shroud on there that's bolted to the transmission, has an ear on it that hooks to the oil pan. I mean, she ain't coming off. That's guaranteed. I'm not a Buick guy. This is my first. I'm learning. I'm enjoying learning, but I'm learning. So far, everything looks oily.
Good.
I'm going to be pushing this in that way, so.
Good.
Got it. One torque converter bolt out. Don't know how I'm going to get to the rest of it. Yeah.
Damn, I'll come over there and not help again.
That would help if I wasn't tightening it.
Which way you going? Up.
Oh. Yeah, baby. Making me work my muscles tonight. Put it in there now. Ow, ow, ow. So, problem is here, Caden, that normally a guy, oh, you know what, Dayton?
What?
Lift up on that torque converter a little bit. I think it might be sagging against that bolt. Normally, if the motor wasn't locked up, don't get your face in there.
Yep,
If the
well.
motor wasn't locked up, we would rotate it over and get it from the opening in the bottom. But because this sucker's locked up tighter than convent, we have to get them just wherever they are. Okay. Yeah. Never see that again. 5/8 on the big impact. And we'll zip that fork plate right off.
What you got on there now?
I think it's a 9/16 that's on it, but we've got a 5/8 out here. This is where you were seeing the holes, isn't it?
Oh, yeah.
I don't know what this is. Oh, there is a little bolt there.
Trade sparks. That's a nice spider. See, he didn't get your eviction notice.
Let that drop when you take that last bolt. It shouldn't, because it should be on that crank. Just kind of work it off. There you go. Balance and weight on it. All right. That's it. Time to clean it up. All right, well, as you can see, the motor's out, and as you saw on the video, you saw what we fought. Got a little bit of a ding here on the condenser, but we're not sure if we're running AC on this car because, you know, race car stuff. Okay, but yeah, motor's out, transmission's right there on the floor, motor's still